Welcome to our channel One Step. Today I'll teach you guys how to log in into your Facebook page. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to log in into your Facebook page, you have to remember this. You cannot just log in into your Facebook page. First, you have to log in into your Facebook account in which the Facebook page is linked. So to remove your confusion, so with my, Facebook account which you given, I have created all these Facebook page, which is YouTuber Jacka, Food Restro, demo pages. So these are the pages which I created. Now to create a Facebook page, first you need a Facebook account. So once you create a Facebook page using your Facebook account, in order to log in into that page, just log in into your Facebook account and you can log in into that page. By that I mean, since my page is linked with this account called Witchy Kevin, I first have to log in into my Witchy Kevin account on Facebook. So first log in into your Facebook account. We have also made a video on how to log in into your Facebook account. You can watch that video. Now once you have logged in into your Facebook account, what you want to do is click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now once you click on the menu icon, what you want to do is this option called Pages. Click on it and all the pages which you have created is going to be shown over here. Now you can also create a new page over here, but that's another topic video. So let's say I want to log in into this page called Food Restro. I can just click on it and it's going to show me this option called Switch. Once I click on Switch, I have just logged in into my Facebook page. That's how simple it is to log in into your Facebook page. You just have to log in into your account and then log in into your page. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful on how to log in into your Facebook page, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time with more Facebook related videos in the future.